When we fall into various trials, ang tingin natin sa problema, ang hirap. Hindi ko kaya. Problema na naman. Pagka may sakit, gastusin. Ganun mo tignan. Remember when Goliath challenged the Israelites? Grabe yung mga Israelite. Ang tingin nila kay Goliath, giant. Ang tingin nila kay Goliath, defeat. They were so afraid of Goliath. Pero grabe nung pagpasok ni David, nagdala lang siyang tinapay eh. But when David saw Goliath, it's an indication na magkakaroon tayo ng malaking victory. Your Goliath is an indication that victory is gonna come. Kapatid, ito ang natutunan ko. Pagka may Goliath ka, indication nun na ganun ka rin kalaki. Kinukulto ng marami. Sabi nila, God gives the toughest battles to His toughest warriors. Minsan isip natin parang selfish no, but it's really true. Kasi makikita natin yung mga biggest successes in the Bible came from the biggest trials.